Where's the knife? Yes, I remember the controls. Come on.
I'm in danger!
Sneak up on him? Yeah, I'll take his weapons after. Anyways, for those who don't know, in case this guy doesn't put the name in the title, this game is called Traversal and it's really fun. It's on Roblox too.
I think they know that because of how popular
Yeah, they would know that, I'm just saying.
I screwed up.
And my voice might sound a little bit different because it's morning and I am really tired. Be quiet, please. Can you just argue with me? I'm trying to play. It's it's 7 in the morning.
There's nobody around here. There's another guy coming back around this way.
Oh. Last night.
They got the mosquito.
There you are. I need to go the other way. I remember that time where we were up to that side and literally blocked a guy that swung an axe at me with my dang knife.
Yeah. The spiders are really
There's a shot hide in the corner. Yes.
yeah, hold on, spot.
I do remember the strat. You died. Oh yeah, so before we were recording last morning,
There's a man
um,
up the stairs, a man coming up the stairs.
we,
Up the stairs, up the
we
stairs.
sort of alerted everybody because that guy caught off the side of the balcony, and it alerted everybody.
They know you're there, run.
Oh.
Sing, 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 sing! Sing, sing, sing! Sing, sing, sing!
We're having an all-out brawl over here.
I'm getting pissed off.
Ow. Yeah, we can just redo the part.
So we just assume that they all
Yeah. Nice. Open this. You got the crowbar, open it. Then we'll be up to that annoying house part, remember? If any of you are wondering what our YouTube channel is, and well, just comment it and I'll reply, or he'll reply.
Wait, move out of the way, I need to throw a brick.
through the brick. I'm gonna be the silent murderer again, okay?
Okay.
No, I'll get him with my axe. This is my 5th axe killed video. Got him.
Now hide. No, I don't need to hide.
Hide.
Sing.
Hide.
He blocked. Got one.
Is he dead? Where'd he go?
Oh, he's dead.
Alright, sneak around.
No, he's not dead then, I think. I need to get my axe back. I prefer the axes do more damage than the crowbar.
Wait, just be careful, just be careful.
Get him. Hide, hide, hide. Got him.
Nice.
Would that be my 7th or 8th axe?
There's a man here. Oh no, wait, never mind. That was...
I think my new favourite weapon is the axe.
Where's little Timmy?
Little Timmy.
He's coming, he's coming.
Little Timmy. I missed. Oh, I got bad. Oh, you got him. Yeah, the bats aren't that good. The bats aren't that good. They're pretty bad. I think the axe or the machete would be the best secondary weapon. Trying to hide in the bush. I remember you saying one time that you could hide in the bush and it would work.
Yeah, but that's only if you're hiding like ready for shoot after last
So then, no one can see me now.
sneaky like snake, and we get one person here. The other guy's moving up.
I remember my fluke on this part. Hold on. I'm gonna pop him a health pot. To my knife.
Nearly dead. Distract him from me.
Got one. Is there any health pots for you?
I think just check all their bodies. Yeah, there's some.
I also need a health pot. Anyways, I'll go kill the person in this building. Yeah, like one of those. Hold on. 3, 2, 1. Hide. Oh, I died. But didn't work that time. Oh, I got my for now. I'm at like half health. No, below half health. I just popped one. I see. Is that a crowbar? Yep, that was a crowbar. What happens if I get in the camera's light?
It's gonna be like 10 dudes who come down and clap our cheeks.
Damn. Riddle. But I'm better, so I can deal with all of them.
There's a man here, watch it.
Yeah, I'm getting him.
Oh, I screwed this part up.
I'm gonna die now.
Where are you going?
Yeah, I screwed that part up.
Alright, now we just need to assassinate those first two.
3, 2, 1. Yep. 10 big. 10 guys are gonna jump off now. Are you there?
Barbecue bacon burger.
To do. We don't need to take out everybody, right? Spickles.
Got him.
Yes, we did it.
Is this the end of Traversal?
I think it might be.
This guy looks like the front man.
Yeah.
1 Octix Traverse Award. I'm just standing there holding an axe in my hand. Oh, no way. Yes.
Alright. Thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.
And if you want to see more videos like this, comment.